3 7 4 8 5 10 6 11 and 7 11 8 10 and 9. Solve करिए. Problem is to fit the parabola. So here you can choose the equation of parabola, and suppose कि y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square, and in the quadratic equation represent the parabola we know that. So be the equation of parabola. And let y equal to this be the equation of parabola. Then the normal equation or and then the normal equation to fit the curve of base fit parabola और क्या होगा समेशन y I इज इक्वल टू n a प्लस b समेशन x I प्लस c समेशन x I स्क्वायर एंड समेशन x I y I इज इक्वल टू a समेशन x I प्लस b समेशन x I स्क्वायर प्लस c समेशन x I क्यूब and summation xi square yi. This is equal to a summation xi square plus b summation xi cube plus c summation xi to power 4. So these are the normal equation to fit the curve of base fit y equal to a plus bx plus cx square parabola. So solve करिए, solve this for the given data and solve this and determine the value of a, b and c. Here we have three question in three unknown a, b, c. N is 1 to 9. So here n is 9. N is 9. And then find xi, yi, and then summation xi into yi. And you find the table and then calculate this value and substitute this value and then solve for a, b and c. So after determining a, b, c, put the value in this. Suppose this is 1, so then this system of equation is suppose 2. So solve 2 and then substitute the value obtained from 2 in 1. So we can obtain the required parabola. Solve करिए. सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, बस प्रॉब्लम है कि आपको कैलकुलेशन करना है, तो वो तो आप ही करेंगे. हो गया? हेलो,
यस सर।
सॉल्व हो गया?
यस सर।
कितना आ रहा है?
y is equal to minus 0.921 plus 3.52x minus 0.267 x square.
ठीक है, ठीक है, ओके। So in this, in the similar way, you can fit any required curve for the given data. The curve may be quadratic curve or cubic curve, or may be exponential or any other. So this is the curve fitting. Now curve fitting is also finished. One topic is left, which we can not discuss now because in that type of fitting of curve, that is the fitting of curve as sum of exponential. Like this, suppose for the given data we want to fit the curve e to a1 e to power some constant, suppose k1x plus a2 e to power k2x. So if only we want to fit this curve, then you can do as in previous way. But suppose we want to fit the curve as sum of exponential, maybe 2 3 4, suppose consider only 2. So in that case we cannot discuss right now, because in this case we need to perform numerical integration. Actually, to determine here a1 a2 k1 k2, you need to do numerical integration. So after doing numerical integration we can do, and it is very lengthy method, very lengthy. So we will discuss this later after studying numerical integration. The next topic is approximation of function. Approximation of function is used in the development of many important software. Actually, if suppose we want to evaluate a function, any value of a function for a given data, so we need to store the table, any data point, and then by interpolation we can evaluate the value of the function. So it require much space, or we need to save more data. So it is economically not good. So we need to think about another way ki how we can store data which become economically good, or which require less memory. So in that case we use approximation of function. So here if suppose f1 f2 and f1 f2 and fn, we the value of given function and suppose you have given some function, say y is equal to fx, then for suppose x1 the value is fx1, that is suppose f1, and x2 it is f2 and fn. These are the given value of the function fx, and and suppose phi 1, phi 2 and phi n be the corresponding values of approximating function. And this means that suppose this fx is given function whose value are f1, f2, fn, and we approximated this function by the function phi x. So then the value of this function approximate function phi x for the same value of x are phi 1, phi 2, phi n, corresponding value of approximating function. Then error vector, the error will be, suppose ei, then that will be fi minus phi I. The error is given by this. The error vector, here we may use vector means this may be positive or negative. The error vector is given by this. So, and E1, E2, and that is E1, E2, and En are the error. So then if we consider the sum of the square of error, E1 square, E2 square, a square root of the sum of the square of the error, and is minimum. So then this approximate function provide more accurate value. So this is done by approximating a function. What is advantage? Suppose in Taylor series expansion, we want to calculate the value of e to power x. Then to obtain the value of e to power x for given x, correct up to suppose n decimal place, we require more number of term to store, calculate, consider in the series. Actually, it is infinite series in Taylor series expansion. So we require more number of term in the series expansion of e to power x to obtain the value of e to power x, correct up to suppose n number of decimal place. Then by using approximation of function, and if we approximate the function, then we require less number of term to retain in the infinite series. So this is advantage. Actually we need to store less number of data to obtain the value of same function, correct up to same number of digit than ordinary की by जो है कि using Taylor series expansion. So we will discuss this with the help of example. So in approximating a function, the important role is played by a function that is known as Chebyshev polynomial. Polynomial. And in approximating the function, we use this Chebyshev polynomial. So first we need to know what is this, how this can be defined. So Chebyshev polynomial of degree n in the interval -1 to 1. Over the interval -1 to 1 is defined as Tn x is equal to cos of n cos inverse x. In the interval -1 to 1, we define Chebyshev polynomial by Tn x of degree n. N is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Is defined by this formula. And from this relation, we see that it is symmetric. Tn minus Tnx equal to T minus Nx. You can check. And if we put n is equal to minus n, then we obtain same function cos minus theta, cos theta. So that is, it is symmetric. And let cos inverse x is equal to theta, then we have x is equal to cos theta, then Tn x become here cos of n theta, where x is equal to cos theta, yeah, theta is cos inverse x. Tn x is equal to this. So with the help of this, we can calculate the value of Tn x for every n. So then suppose we take n is equal to 0. So for n is equal to 0, so T0x, and Chebyshev polynomial of degree 0. This is equal to cos 0 and 1. Similarly, T1x, this will be cos theta, and that is x. T1x is equal to x, and T0x is equal to 1. So with the help of these two values, we can calculate the value of T and x for every finite n, and we obtain a recurrence relation by using the formula cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So we know that cos of n minus 1 theta, cos of n minus 1 theta plus cos of n plus 1 theta, this is equal to 2 cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. 2 cos n theta into cos theta, 2 cos A cos B, 2 cos A cos B. So this. So using this, you see here relation T and x is equal to n cos theta. T and x is n cos theta. So T and x is using this relation, definition of this. So this is T n minus 1 x plus T n plus 1 x. And this is equal to 2 x T n x. Using definition, we obtain this relation. So this is a recurrence relation. With the help of this, we can calculate T and x for every n after using the value T0x is equal to 1, T1x is equal to x. So here we have Tn plus 1x is equal to recurrence relation 2x Tnx minus Tn minus 1 x. So T0 and T1 are known. So now suppose we put n is equal to 1, then it become t2x. So t2x 2x into t1x minus t0x. So 2x into x minus 1, that is 2x square minus 1. The t2x is 2x square minus 1. In the similar way, we can calculate t3x is equal to 4x cube and putting n is equal to 2 in this relation. Suppose this is equation 2 या कोई इक्वेशन ये मान लीजिए 1 है. दिस इज नो, दिस इज 1. सपोज करिए दिस इज 2, देन 3. तो फ्रॉम 3 तो we are putting n is equal to 2, तो t3 we obtain 4x cube minus 3x, and in the similar way we obtain t4x is equal to 8x4 minus 8x square plus 1. So you can calculate other value also, and t5x, no need to remember this, you can calculate with the help of 3. So t5x 16x cube minus 20x 16x 5 होगा, this x5 minus x cube plus 5x, and t6x is equal to 32x 6 minus 48 x4 plus 18 x square minus 1, and so on. Actually these value we require, so I have written here. And now with the help of these expression we can express x, x square, x cube, x4 in terms of Chebyshev polynomial of various degree. For example, we know that one is equal to t0x, and x is t1x. Similarly, x square from this relation will be 1 by 2 t2x plus 1. So 1 is t0x in this relation. One by 2 t2x plus t0x x square. Similarly, from this relation we can express x cube. The x cube will be after simplification 1 by 4 3 t1x plus t3. This, and in the similar way we can express other x4 x5 x6. अभी एक एग्जाम्पल लेंगे जिसमें 5 तक कंसीडर करेंगे, इसलिए यहाँ 5 तक लिखिए. 4 इक्वल टू 1 by 8 3 t0x plus 4 t2x plus t4x, and x5 is equal to 1 by 16 10 t1x plus 5 t3x plus t5. x. This. In the similar way, we can obtain with the help of this relation how we can express x5, x6, x7, etc. So now consider one example. This is the equivalence of x square, x cube in terms of Chebyshev polynomial and the value of Chebyshev polynomial of various degree in terms of x. Both are equal. We can change from x2 in terms of t0, t1, t2, or from t1, t2, t3. We can interchange in terms of x. Both are same. So what is advantage? Actually, advantage is you will see in example. If we consider the expression of the same function in terms of this polynomial, then we require less number of terms to store, to write, instead of using Taylor series expansion for same accuracy. And suppose we want to calculate the value correct up to 4 decimal place. So by expressing the function in Taylor series expansion, we require more number of terms to store or retain in the series in comparison to if we express the series in terms of this polynomial. Actually, what this polynomial done, with the help of this polynomial, we obtain another expression for the function. Consider one example. And in the infinite series, if we consider only finite number of terms, then that is known as economization of the series, power series. So consider here, suppose we want to find the value of e to power x. So by using Taylor series, we need to calculate the value of series up to some number of terms depend upon our accuracy. Yani 1 minus x plus x square upon factorial 2 plus minus x cube by factorial 3 plus x4 upon factorial 4 minus x5 upon factorial 5 and then plus x6 upon factorial 6. This is the Taylor series expansion of the function e to power minus x. Suppose for any x, we want to calculate the value of this function. This is fx. This is fx. It's how many terms we need to consider in the series depend upon the accuracy. Yani we can calculate the maximum error, and if suppose we consider the series only up to 3 terms, then the maximum possible error will be less or equal to 1 by factorial 4. The value of this is the maximum error. Maximum error. So we can calculate, yani if we require up to 3 decimal place for a given x, then how many terms we need in the series. Already we have studied. Now consider we consider only up to 5th number of term, and 6th term in the series up to x to power 5, and if we neglected the term containing x to power 6 and higher power in x, this, so then this expression become this e to power minus x is equal to this only, this. So now writing this in terms of polynomial, e to power minus x is equal to 1 is t0x t0x minus t1x plus x square. तो value of x square is, you see here x square is 1/2 t2 plus t0, t2 plus t0 1/2, and factorial 1/2, so 1/4 this t2x plus t0x using above, and minus 1/6 into x cube. X cube is here 1/4 into 3t1x and plus t3x, this. And next term minus, not minus, plus 1 by factorial 4. So factorial 4 is 4 into 3 into 2, 24 into x to power 4, 1 upon 8, 1 upon 8, and 3t0x plus 4t2x plus t4x, this, and x to power 5 minus 1 by factorial 5, तो ये हो जाएगा 5 into 24, यानी 5 into 24 into 1 by 16 into 10 t1x plus 5 t3x plus t5x, this. So after simplification and collecting the equal power of t, coefficient of t, t0, t1, t2, so it becomes, actually we want to show one example ki if we consider Taylor series for same order of accuracy, we require more number of term, and if we express the function in terms of this Chebyshev polynomial, then we require less number of term. तो अब डिटेल इसका हम वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करने नहीं जा रहे हैं. तो आफ्टर सिंप्लीफिकेशन कलेक्टिंग द कोफिशिएंट t0 here, t0 here, and t0 here, so then it become, after calculation, 1.26606 t0x, then t1 coefficient, so it become 1 minus 13021 t1x, and then t2 0.027 t2x माइनस, मतलब ये लॉन्ग कैलकुलेशन है जो डायरेक्ट लिखा जा रहा है, माइनस 0.04427 t3x प्लस 0.05467 t4x, and then minus finally 0.005208520 t5x. Then for e to power minus x, we obtain this expression, and again substituting the value of t0, t1, t2, t3, t5. अब इसकी वैल्यू क्या होगा, t0 is 1, t1x is x, t2x is here 2x square minus 1. So substituting the value of this polynomial of various degree, after simplification we obtain new expression for this series e to power minus x, and it contain only finite term, क्योंकि we have truncated the series. So this is not exactly equal to. Now it is approximation. Here also it is approximation. We consider only up to 6 term. So then it is approximation. So then it become 1.0045 minus 1.0040 and then 22x plus 0.4991992 x square and then x cube minus 0.166488 x cube, then x4 0.043794 x4 and minus 0.0086 8687 x5. So now you see, for the same function we obtain this expression. Actually this is not Taylor series expansion. Now it is approximation, approximate form. This is phi x, approximate form of the function e to power minus x. So you see here the maximum error is, if we consider only up to x to power 5, so here maximum error is this is the maximum error, क्योंकि आप उससे कंपेयर करिए कि here 1 minus x, तो 1 is 1 point this, so here error is 0.00045 in first term, and here error is 0.004022, तो less than this. तो and here क्या आएगा, x square upon factorial 2 यानी 0.5, here value is 0.5, तो 0.5 से सब्सट्रैक्ट कर दीजिए, जो भी एरर आएगा इससे कम ही आएगा. तो in every term you will see the error is less than this. The maximum error due to this approximation is this. And in case of Taylor series, what will be the maximum error? Maximum error, and if we consider only this, the maximum error will be 1 upon factorial 6. उसकी वैल्यू क्या आएगी? तो in that case the maximum error will be 0.014. You see, you can calculate 1 upon factorial 6. The maximum error will be 1 upon, not 1 upon 0.014. So you see, in case of Taylor series, here error is more than the error in approximate function. So if we consider only 5 term, then we obtain the value correct up to 3 decimal place. You see here, error start from 4th and 5th place. And we obtain the value correct up to 3 decimal place. In case of approximation of function in terms of Chebyshev polynomial, but in case of Taylor series, if we consider only 5 term, then we obtain result correct up to 1 decimal place only. To obtain the result correct up to 3 decimal place, we need to consider one more term, only up to 6. If we consider up to 6, then maximum error will be 1 upon factorial 7. 1/7, तो इसकी जो वैल्यू आएगी that in that case we obtain the value correct up to 3 decimal place. So here with example we have seen that in Taylor series expansion, to obtain the value of e to power minus x correct up to 3 decimal place, we require the term up to x to power 6. But to obtain the value of e to power minus x correct up to 3 decimal place in terms of Chebyshev polynomial, we require only a 5 term. Only 5. This is obtained by considering only up to 5 term. So here one term is less. That is, we need less space to store the data. So this is an advantage. And the approximation, the truncation of infinite series power series is known as economization of a power series. And truncation of a power series is known as economization of a power series. हेलो, एक क्वेश्चन लिख लीजिए, आप सॉल्व करिएगा। इकोनोमाइज the power series sin x is equal to x minus x cube by 6 plus x 5 upon 120 minus x 7 upon 5040 and so on. 2 3 significant digit accuracy. 2 3 significant digit accuracy, and that is to obtain the value of sin x correct up to 3 decimal place. So find the economized form of this sine series, given sine series. And actually Taylor series expansion, to obtain 3 significant digit, how many terms we required? If suppose we consider only 3 terms, then maximum error will be less or equal to 1/1040. अब इसकी वैल्यू कितनी आएगी? बताइए। This will be 0.002. So we obtain the value only correct up to 2 decimal place. Actually, if we consider the series only in this series 3 term, then we are not able to obtain the value of sin x correct up to 3 decimal place. We obtain value correct up to 2 decimal place only. So we need to consider this term also. But if we express this series in terms of Chebyshev polynomial, if suppose we consider only 3 term, so then expressing this sin x in terms of Chebyshev polynomial, finally formula comes sin x is equal to 169 upon 192 t1x minus 5/128 t3x plus 1/1920 T5x. If suppose we consider only these two terms, then maximum error will be less or equal to 1/1920. This is equal to 0.0030 होगा, 30 and 5. This. The maximum error will be less or equal to this. So our result will be correct up to 3 decimal place. So that is, we need sin x is equal to 169/192 t1x minus 5/128 t3x only. And this formula provide the value of sin x correct up to 3 decimal place. But in case of Taylor series expansion, we need to consider up to this term. So this here, this can be written as, after substituting the value of t1 and t3, finally it become 169/192 t1 is x minus 5/128 t3. t3 is 4x cube minus 3x. So finally this become 383/384 x minus 5/32 x cube. This. Yeah, this can be written as 0.9974x minus 0.1562 x cube. So this is expression to calculate the value of sin x correct up to 3 decimal place. And this is obtained by using, this is economized form of sin x series, given sin x series, to obtain the value up to 3 significant digit accuracy, and 3 decimal place accurate value. To calculate 3 decimal place accurate value of sin x, we require to write this expression. You see, only two terms, but a sin x expression, not exactly two terms in sin x expression, it is modified part. This is modified part. Here all equivalent to. But in Taylor series, so now if we want to calculate sin x correct up to 3 decimal place, so we need to store this formula. 4 decimal place, then we need to calculate from the beginning. So then you see in Taylor series expansion, to obtain the value correct up to 3 decimal place, we require how many term? Up to x to power 6, 7 term. It is a big expression, and it require computationally, it require जो है कि more calculation. So this is advantage of approximation of a function. This is useful in development of many software. So now this chapter is also finished. Next class we will discuss numerical differentiation and numerical integration. और कल आपका क्लास नहीं है, सैटरडे को आपका टेस्ट होगा, अभी हम शेड्यूल कर देंगे. तो 9:30 to 10 एंड देन 10:15 to जो है कि 10:45. ठीक है. हेलो.
यस सर.
ठीक है. जो नहीं देगा टेस्ट, वो ऐसा नहीं है कि बेस्ट ऑफ 5 होगा या 3 होगा. कुछ नहीं, जो 5 क्यूज होंगे उसमें जो 5 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा मार्क, तो एवरेज हो जाएगा, तो जो जिसमें एब्सेंट होगा वो पोर्शन उसका 0 हो जाएगा, तो इसलिए सबको अपीयर होना है। ठीक है, ओके। ये नहीं आएगा, कर्व फिटिंग नहीं आएगा आपका, इंटरपोलेशन एंड रूट फाइंडिंग, एरर रूट फाइंडिंग एंड इंटरपोलेशन।
Okay, sir.
ओके,
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
एक्सक्यूज मी सर।
हाँ बोलिए।
सर अगर पॉसिबल हो तो अपनी स्क्रीन के जो नोट्स हैं सर अपलोड कर दीजिए।
अच्छा ठीक है, देखते हैं।
थैंक यू सर।